Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just end up lean in the Fanta. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Make sure you guys scalp that like button on Baba Money. Thanks for joining. Some of the Rockies, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, everybody. What do we have here now? La-da-da. La-da-da-da-da-da. I absolutely just killed it yesterday, Pandas. I absolutely just killed it. Very surprising we didn't end up filling the gap here yet. After yesterday, like we wanted this line here is like all eyes are on that line. This weekly close, which is basically Friday's close. The reason why everyone's eyes are on there is because we got a gap. This gap here on the tick chart, and it's a literal gap. Like it opened like 100 points beneath. Where did it open? 124 points beneath. Just opened beneath it, the market. So we want to fill that gap, and that's like in the Globex session. That's not the 5-minute chart. That's a 2000 tick chart. So all eyes are on this line. I'm probably gonna go Big Mama here for sure. Maybe I'll go 2 contracts. Almost feels like a guarantee almost. Sure thing. Easy bamboo. Free money, as some will say. No such thing as free money in the market, as we all know. Well, it's fun to think so. Let's try. Let's try, Panda. Let's try it. What do we have to lose? What's the worst that could happen? If we hit trigger Big Mama, then I'm thinking like for certain we're gonna get here 30 points. 30 points. You can pass 150k eval with that. Yeah, was that my one? Yeah, it was mine. You can bounce off our trend line here. Selma 1, I need bamboo. We all do. We're all pandas here. We all need bamboo to live. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Quick look at the daily chart. Do we have news today? No news today. Tomorrow we have unemployment. numbers. Quick news check though. Maybe something came up. Yeah, this week is lacking in news, but we do have unemployment numbers 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. Just mark your calendars for that. Be right back. Big love from Morocco. Welcome. I love it. I love when people come all around the world. Trade with the best community on YouTube verified. Got a triangle here. Bouncing off our trend line. That's the interesting part here. Not the fact that there's a triangle that's interesting. It's the fact that we're getting a triangle where it may be bouncing off our trend line. Big pop up here. We're kind of like in this channel still. 5,000 tick chart. Maybe adjust it to like this. Market's about to open 4 minutes. Second entry long on the 5,000 tick chart. About to trigger. Could be the one that propels us to the previous day's high. I almost feel like I gotta try this. I'll have it ready, this level. We'll take the first one at 10 points and then we'll run the rest. Mark about to open. 2.25 minutes. Bill 7. Scalp that like button. Breaking out here. Kind of like this to happen when market opens, but it was a bounce off the trend line that had me interested here. We had this trend line going from back here. It bounced off of it pretty nicely. That was the interesting thing about this setup, this triangle. Thinking it'll break out. Plus you got the second entry long on the 5,000 tick. Market about to open, pandas. Got 1.5 minutes. Charles Wilson. Good morning. I mean, you're thinking it's going to try to fill the gap before it does anything else. After it fills the gap, anything can happen, but you're thinking it wants to fill the gap. I mean, I could be done with one trade today. 15 seconds to market open. By the way, if you want to watch as close as you can to real time, watch in 2x speed until it catches up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. High or low, pandas. Ooh. It's gonna trigger Big Mama. It's gonna trigger Big Mama. It's looking good. It's looking juicy, pandas. It's looking juicy. It's looking real juicy. Hello? Okay. What in the world was that? I want more. I want more, pandas. Give me the 10 points and give me more. Come to papa. Oh. Whoa. Did I get greedy?
Target filled.
Whoa. Okay. Oh, yes. Pandas. Pandas. I mean, you're thinking it has to fill, right? It has to fill the gap. I mean, you're thinking it has to fill the gap, right? Maybe even possibly more than that. What?
Target
There we
filled.
go. Easy peasy. Pandas, I'm done for today. I'm just done. I could take my little panda nap now. 2 minutes of work. We are absolutely done here, pandas. We're up 8 hundo right now. I'm feeling good about 8 hundo. I mean, one of the easiest trades I've seen in a long time. One of the easiest trades I've seen in a long, long time, pandas. I hope you guys got your bamboo. Come back down. After filling that gap, that was an important gap to fill. Now we have like no unfinished business. We can come right back down. We can reverse here. I wouldn't be surprised. I've seen it all, pandas. I've seen it all. We're still on our trend line. Also the 20 EMA. Would need a very, very convincing signal bar here to be interested in going long. That, ooh, okay. Maybe fail second entry long. The fact that we bounce off a resistance so definitively makes me want to chill out on the longs right now. Just want to see this develop a little bit more. Fail second entry long could be a possibility. I'll take that. I'll take the fail second entry long. Lower high created here. Technically second entry short as well. But I'm not really worried about the second entry short. I'm really looking for the fail second entry long here as an entry. Oh, it's looking juicy too. It's also looking juicy. Don't want the outside bar reversal is a question. I could try outside bar reversal. Second entry long about a trigger. Second entry long does trigger. Man, that looks good. Looks like a decent second entry long here. It's hard for me to go short against a bar that looks like that. Might just make a new high. The 5-minute gap has not been filled yet. I guess a bunch of 5-minute gaps haven't been filled yet. Been gapping down a lot. The 5-minute gaps all the way. What in the world is that? What's going on? What? Is this real? Like, why is there like a bar just floating in midair like that? Something's wrong. Something is definitely wrong. Am I expecting a double top here? Not really, but we'll see. Trap trade to make a new high here. Somewhat tempting, but I'm okay. Very difficult to go long here on that second entry long, mainly because you got a terrible signal bar. This is your signal bar. That's tough. Tough to take, in my opinion. Tapping right off the 20 EMA here. It's looking quite bullish now. fact that we bounced right off the 20 EMA here makes me feel like this is kind of bullish. Interesting. All right. Bullish it is. Looking for a new high. Big push up. Yeah, bouncing right off of that makes it made it look and felt bullish. This is the first entry though. Strong bull bar ending near its high. We're not getting much follow through on these bars though. What's going on? Let's just buy with limit order somewhere to go long. Top left of your screen, you can see where we're at on our 150K accounts. We are maybe after today, we might be halfway there. Let's see if I can get a couple more trades in. Let's get a 1K day today if we can. I would love that. I would love that. 1K day today. Inside bars. OII pattern. Breakout mode. Still an uptrend in my opinion. Getting very wedged. Very, very wedged. Can I get an entry here is a question. Limit order buys a tick, a couple ticks above the previous candle's low. That's what we're seeing here. Is the pattern going to continue? Goodness gracious. All right, pushing down. Touching the 20 EMA. We're going to rip through it, bounce off of it. I could buy limit orders down here. Jeez. All right. You know, there are people out there who literally just want to trade with limit orders. That's how they trade. They just love limit orders. They find levels and just trade them. They don't care. They get crushed on like trending days. Whereas I feel like a majority of us, we trade with stop orders and we get crushed on limit order days or trading range days. That's the more typical, I think. Let me ask you guys. Kelly Ann in the house, the legend. Good morning, Kelly. Ooh la la. What is going on here now, pandas? The legend herself. Wowzers. Okay, got a decent push down here. Hard to go long, right? After you see a strong bear bar like this. Ooh. Ooh. Pandas. This is not happening right now, is it? Fail second entry long. It's like a perfect, it's a picture perfect setup, Pandas. Picture perfect. I just got obliterated. But that's a picture perfect trap trade. Absolutely ripping my face off. I had to try, Pandas. I had to at least try and go for a lot. And go for a lot. Goodness gracious, I had to try, Pandas. Wow. I had to try. I mean, it was a picture perfect fail second entry long. I had to try. And it comes after a break of trend to new high. You know, you have to try that, Pandas. Even though I lost, I don't mind. Hugh says, in a limit order market, I'll mark my range, take lower high shorts back into the range after a breakout, or higher low longs back into the range after a breakout. But you have to do that with stop orders or limit orders. I'm guessing you do stop orders. Ooh, marketable bottom here. I'm thinking another push up then. Right, with this failed trap, I'm thinking, you know, maybe a significant push up here. One more time. Ooh, triggers the higher low. I need the failed second entry short here in order to go long. The only thing worth taking, in my opinion, to go long here. It's starting to look like a limit order market. I'm better off selling at the top, buying near the bottom. But let's try this one time. Hard to time this. Try to time this perfectly here. Alright, I think we're good. Let's try one time. Alright, we got the failed trap here. We're trying to go on the other side now. At least a 1-to-1. And if I want to be really cheeky, I can look for a lot here. It's starting to look like a limit order market. I don't know if this is the best trade. Ooh. Pandas. You love to see the big push up. You love to see the big push up. Okay. Why is it playing games with my heart right now, Pandas? Why is this market playing games with my heart right now, Pandas? Why must you play games with my heart? My little panda heart can't handle it. Goodness gracious. It is a limit order market. People just selling limit orders here, buying limit orders here. It's not looking too good, to be honest. Ooh, it's looking a little bit better. It's looking a little bit better. Ooh, that's good. That's good news for us. We need follow through though. Strong bull bar, please. Strong bull. I don't know about that. It's continuing to limit order market, Pandas. It's not looking too hot for us now. Again. Ooh. Maybe I should come out break even. Is it too late? If it's truly a limit order market, I will be really hurting myself selling here. I should be buying in this area instead of selling. Yikes. I'm still alive somehow. And I'm dead. There goes all my gains. Pandas, this market. It's brutal. It's absolutely brutal. It turned to a limit order market. Like, pretty, definitively here. I should be buying here, not selling in these limit order markets. But because I bought up here, I felt like the risk was just too large. Risk is too large for me. It's more of a risk management thing. Why I didn't go long there? I could try limit order market again. Looks like it wants a breakout now. Once it stops me out 2 times. Jeez Louise. Yeah, there's a push. Right, I should be buying here, not taking my stop loss here. I should be buying. Wow, that's brutal. I mean, it looked like a limit order market. I should have stayed away from this kind of market, right? Big wicks, small bodies. I'm still green somehow, pandas. I'm still green. Ricardo, welcome. Do I want a higher low here? No, not while we're still in this range. I mean, if I do, I have to bank on a breakout. Limit order is still working here, actually. It still looks bullish, but man, how do I time? Where do I mark my limit order for the longs? I really want to be going long right now. Do I really want to go long here? Not really. Not really. Yeah. Takes me out and it goes without me. The 1 to 2. Gonna fill the gap on the 5-minute chart as well, the weekly gap. I mean, pandas. I mean, I had the right idea, just not. I couldn't hold the risk, right? I couldn't go long again here. I mean, like I mentioned, I should be going long here, so taking my stop out here because of the limit order market. But it is what it is. I made my choice. I felt like the risk wasn't worth it, and now I'm tilted. I don't know why this doesn't work the first time. There you go. I mean, ultimate tilt. Might as well go long here while I'm tilted. Might as well start taking some reckless trades. Let's just go long. Oof. Oof. Wow, are we still in a limit order market? Should I just be buying down here somewhere? Where's my trend line at? Goodness gracious, pandas. What do I do here? I mean, should I just buy? With a limit order down here? Should I try? Should I just go long? Stop orders? Continue the uptrend? What do I do? What do I do, pandas? How do you trade this? Have a good day, y'all. I'm off to a day of boating and fishing. Ah, that's why you joined. Enjoy. Have amazing. That sounds amazing. What a great way to spend your hump day. Shall we Whiskey Wednesday today? We got 60 concurrent viewers. I think we can do it. 100 likes, pandas. Let's get it. Ooh, such a strong push down. Such a strong push down. Oh, I could have. I lowered my order, pandas. I thought I was gonna push down a little bit further, the strong bear bar, but pandas, I got too greedy. I got too greedy, pandas. If you guys don't know, Whiskey Wednesday means if you get to 100 likes, I'll pop open some whiskey in the AM with y'all, and we'll enjoy a drink together. Wowzers, pandas, I could have gotten it. I could have got a little bamboo there. I could have. But I didn't. Pushing back down. Maybe inside bar I might take it. But fail second entry long is a better plan. Again, a second attempt on fail second entry long. We tried to take it here and we got blasted. And we tried to take the other way around, got hit, and then it went the way we wanted to. So both traps have failed. It's not good. It's not a good look. Let's just say that. I'll take on a 5-minute breakdown though. Inside bar created. I'm gonna stay patient here, pandas. I'm gonna stick to the plan here. Let's get a fail second entry long or break beneath the previous candle's low on the 5-minute chart here. I'll do a 5-minute trade here. Thinking we might get a quick scalp on the 5-minute chart. I'm only risking 10 to gain 10. If I don't get it, I don't get it. But I'm risking 10 to gain 10. I'm doing a 1-to-1 here.
Target filled.
All right. Easy peasy. I wanted that trap trade. I'll feel way more confident if I had the trap trade set up. My trade was basically the 5 minutes. It's a 5-minute second entry short. A, B, C. If you know your ABCs, you can trade with me. Just 200 though. Just 200. Fails against long? Maybe. Maybe. It has to look good though. It has to look very good. On all accounts, I mean, it's still pretty bullish. On all accounts, it's still pretty bullish. Terrible looking signal bar for me. I kind of like the fact that I touched the 20 EMA here. I don't like how big the risk is. If you want to take the proper risk. Now we're coming back into our channel here. Could just be a continuation of our trading range. I'm just a panda with a dream. I'm just a panda with a dream. Oh my. Okay. The risk is huge, but I think we have pretty good chances here to make a new low. Today could be a wash. Today could be a wash, pandas. Right, if I lose this trade, it's pretty much a wash. I mean, I could go for more. If it's a strong bear bar, ending on its low, not as good as I want it to be. Plus no follow through, it comes right back up. If it's a strong bear bar with some follow through, I might extend this, but now I'm like wondering if I even will win this trade. It might just be a wash, pandas. I mean, it's unfortunate, yeah. Darn, tough. I mean, the trade looked good. Strong bear bar, good signal bar. Goodness gracious, pandas. It's tough for me. Trading range. Bouncing off here. Just staying in this area. Jeez, pandas. I mean, I'm about to get, full blown tilt. It's coming, pandas. It's coming. Big push out. I almost just want to sell the limit order right now. This is how choppy this has been. I almost just want to sell the limit order anywhere up here. I'm gonna have a limit order somewhere up here ready. This is so choppy. This is so choppy, pandas. I'm tired of it. Alright, I'm a bit scared. I'll take a reversal. How about that? I won't take the limit order, but I'll take a reversal. I'll take a stop order reversal here. A lower high would probably be the best trade to take. It's the first reversal here. If it comes, if it actually triggers. Hasn't triggered yet. Makes me feel like limit order bulls are in town. Okay. Interesting. Okay. I mean, technically, here's my lower high. Technically, is my lower high here. Do I love it? No. I actually hate it. I actually hate it. With absolute passion, I hate it. But I'm tilted, pandas. We want it all. We want it all, pandas. It could be a second entry long. Might be a good trade. I'm just absolutely tilted right now, thinking we're in a limit order market. I'm just gonna sell anywhere up here. I want it all, pandas. I want it all. It looks like a good second entry long almost.
Target filled.
I'm too scared, pandas. My weak panda cojones can't handle this kind of pressure. I actually wanted a test of this. I think it's gonna. Pandas. Pandas. I mean, look at the 5,000 tick chart. The strong bull bar ending on its high. Like, how can you just go short against that? Oh, there's a second entry long bouncing off the 20 EMA. Ooh, that might be the trade to get us to the new high. Limit order market really proving itself to be quite strong. Quite strong. Ooh. I'm gonna try, pandas. I'm gonna try, pandas. I'm gonna risk 10. I want to gain like 20.
Target filled.
Pandas. If I just kept my short there, pandas. If I just kept my short, that lower high on the top of the trading range, I would have gotten it all, pandas. I would have gotten it all. Goodness gracious, pandas. My cojones were just not strong enough. My little panda cojones couldn't handle the pressure. I really thought we were going to test this line here at least once, but we failed to do so. I thought we were going to get like one more push up here and then reverse. That's why I was really scared. But as you can see, that did not happen at all. Ooh, this might push down really hard now. Yeah. 5-minute chart wants to test the 20 EMA, in my opinion. I mean, that's a strong bear bar. Strong bear bar with absolutely no follow through. Right, this is a 1,000 tick chart. If it's a 2,000 tick chart, this would be a big wick. Right, a big candle here. Sorry, a big tail. I mean, it still feels like a limit order market. Like, goodness gracious. I mean, it's a pure limit order market right now, pandas. It's people buying near the bottom of this big range. I think it's pretty much time to get rid of this and just recognize we're just in a big old box. Big old box. Looks something like this. I mean, how crazy do you have to be to buy this bar, pandas? Like, when you see a bar like this, how crazy you have to be just to buy it? That's just a different level of cojones. Those are definitely diamond cojones. My cojones level right now, probably bronze. It's a high or low? Maybe. For a quick scalp, but honestly, you're better off selling with limit orders. Nah, I don't like it. Looks choppy. Lawrence has a point, right? Middle of the range. It is. Right? The previous week's close is acting as a middle of the range right now. And if we go too far above it, it comes back down to it. If it goes too beneath it, below it, it goes back up to it. I think this is the magnet right now. Previous week's close. It's a second entry short here, pandas. I mean, I don't like it, right in the middle of the range. It's very difficult to know which way we're going. So you skip the second entry short. I may take the fail second entry short to get back to the top of the trading range. The reason why I'm more inclined to do that is because we hit the bottom of the trading range already. Thinking we're going to come back to the top to test it. Plus you got second entry long on the 5,000 tick chart. Second entry long on the 5-minute chart setting up. So, right, the 5,000 tick, second entry long, coming off the 20 EMA. If we didn't trigger the second entry short, that will give us the fail second entry long entry, or the fail second entry short entry. So, I'm sitting on my pause. This is big wicks, middle of the range. Just gotta wait for my opportunity here. This is not it, I don't think. It's a nice pop up though, for sure. Come back to the top of the trading range. I wish we got that fail second entry short. We got a nice little scalp there if we did. But unfortunately, something didn't come. And I'm being patient here, pandas. I'm being very patient here. I think we're going to go higher, but I need a small pullback before trying to do so. Just because I recognize we are in a limit order market. And, you know, strong bull bars are being sold. Strong bear bars are being bought. So, yes. Top of the trading range, pretty much. I mean, sure, why not? If we ever break this high, I might as well. Might as well, pandas! It's not looking too swell now. Okay. Still kind of want it here. Ooh. The obvious thing is to go short here, huh? Obvious thing is to go short here. Obvious thing was to go short right there. I'm a bit confused. Hmm. Huh. Okay. This is very confusing. That lower high might have been good setup. Back to the previous week's close, maybe. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try, pandas. Please don't be mad at me. Please don't judge me. I gotta try. Big wicks. It's a dumb trade, pandas. I should just be selling with limit orders up here somewhere. I really should. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just a dumb old panda. Everyone out there right now is looking at this saying, what is Panda doing? Why would he go long right here? Why would he even think about going long? Because I'm tilted, pandas. Forget about it. Oh, man. I don't know what to do. Just watching. It's just a chop fest. I should just be selling with limit orders up here. That's what they've been doing, right? They've just been selling with limit orders a little beneath the previous candle's high. So we're getting a drop down now. Jeez. This is tough. This is tough. Very tough. I mean, I should just sell here. Like, shouldn't I? I should just sell this. Just ain't right. I appreciate it. Dropping the panda emoticons. Pandas, we have 70 viewers. I think we can get to 100 likes. Pandas, we got a Whiskey Wednesday challenge today. If you guys get to 100 likes, I'll pop open a bottle of whiskey. We'll celebrate. I mean, nah, I can't. I'm gonna take the failed trap. Right, if this triggers, I'm gonna take the failed trap. Goodness gracious. I'm gonna take the failed trap. If the trap triggers, I take the failed trap. That's the setup I want. The traps have been failing. What can I say? Traps have been surely failing. Alright, second entry long. Ugliest signal bar of all time right here. Yet, it's popping up a little bit. Just ain't right as is 1855 double top. There is a double top here. I mean, double top, triple bottom. I mean, we're just trading range. It's true. Okay. Okay, pandas. Okay. For some reason, I feel okay. Just skipping this. Maybe even just going long. Somewhere down here. I don't have much FOMO here. I'm okay. It's just so confusing. It's hard to have FOMO when you're confused. Write that one down, pandas. The secret to skip FOMO is just to be confused out of your mind. I mean, should I just buy? Should I continue the pattern and just buy? That's a strong bear bar. Pandas, that's a very strong bear bar. That's like a uh-oh bar. Surprise bar. That's what Al Brooks would call it. It's a surprise bars typically have follow through. But we're complete inside a trading range, pandas. I mean, what do I do here? Nothing. I'll just do nothing. Ooh, okay, push down. Okay. Have we made a decision here to actually start pushing down here? I almost still want to buy with a limit order. It is ultimately a fail second entry long that does trigger this huge move down. But if the pattern continues, then I mean a higher low. I'll have to wait for a higher low. This is too strong pushing down. Testing the 20 EMA 5-minute chart. Is that all we're gonna get? Are we in a downtrend? Should I be going short? Should I sell anything, everything right now? I mean, I've seen breakouts like this fail and come right back up to the top of the trading range. I've seen this story many times. I've heard this story many times. So I wouldn't be surprised if it comes right back up. V bottoms here. On a day like this, it can V bottom, right? Because the character of the market's already choppy. So you got a bunch of bulls just trying to buy all the way down here. But I need a higher low at least, if I want to even consider that. Best trade to wait for is a fail second entry short. But the higher low I feel like needs to be inside the trading range. We're like beneath the trading range now. It's pretty far down. What's the main issue with the higher low? Main issue is that it sets itself up for a second entry short. Are we in a downtrend, pandas, or are we still in trading range? Breakdown retest. The bottom of the trading range. Like the strong bear bar 5-minute charts. Test the 20 MA. No falter, just bounces right off. It's bought up with limit orders. Like I've said, I've heard this story many times. It could V bottom back up to the top of the trading range on days like this. I guess you gotta ask yourself what's most probable in this situation. So first entry off the 20 MA here. Could be a new low here. It could. Higher low setting itself up. So get your short, pandas. The higher low. Back into the trading range, V bottom. Second just short forming here, pandas. I'm gonna skip it. We're back into our trading range, so I'm skipping it. Micro double bottom. Being ultimately patient here. Super patient here. I actually want to trigger, but the micro double bottom might be enough for me to go long here. Jeez. Micro triple bottom. There it is. I'm back into our trading range. I'm gonna only trade one contract. For obvious reasons. Risk is too big. Right? It's just a straight up fails against a short, but coming after a huge down, like a really strong move down. The second to short works out nicely. It's difficult. Very difficult. Problem with going long here is that your stop loss is quite large, right? It's inside bar on the 5-minute chart, bouncing off the 20 MA, right? OI pattern. Come back to the top of the trading range is what I'm thinking. The lower high here is tempting as well. Being a lower high here, lower high to go short. I don't know. What do I do here, Pandas? We're at 30 likes, Pandas. I mean, I know you guys can do better than that. I know you guys can do better than that. 30 likes. It's a dumb trade, Pandas. I'm gonna try though. It's a dumb trade, but I'm gonna try it. It's so dumb. It's such a bad trade. It's such a bad trade. I'm in. Let's see if I can scalp out 10.
Target
All
filled.
right. I'll take it. I'll take it. New low created. This is the obvious reason, right? Obvious thing here. Super strong push down. Looks like try to V bottom. Even the 5-minute chart coming off the 20 EMA. Trading range on the 5-minute chart also still valid. I could have gone for more, I guess. I'm just trying to scalp. I'm worried. I'm just scared. Like I'm not sure. I don't think this market's gonna be like a super strong trend either way, just because we've had such a long trading range. But I don't know. Pandas, 100 likes. Let's get it. We're up 500. I'm not complaining. I mean, being up 500, not the worst. Green is green. It kind of sucks I was up 800 earlier. But I got clobbered. Absolutely clobbered. Second just short. Coming off the 240 SMA though. Now wedging between the two. Bill 7 says, Pandas, after going in the hole basically twice today for almost 3,000, I got the short with 3 contracts, finished the day up, 884, I'm done for. Let's go. Congrats. At the end, doing better than Panda himself. Second entry short, coming off our trend line. Also our 20 EMA. Ooh, the signal bar is not too... It's okay. Curious. Alright, I'll try. Again, dumb trade, but I'll try. If I don't try, who will try, Pandas? If I don't try, who will try? Obviously, he's gonna rip my neck off, break my neck here. Let's see if I can get a trap trade here. This might go without me. Darn it. Obviously, the trap trade coming back into the trading range is a beautiful trade. Obviously. Nothing more obvious than that. If I don't try, who will, Pandas? If I don't do it, who is brave enough to try?
kind of want to start buying now. I wonder if I have opportunities to buy here. I'd like to scalp 10 points if I can. If I gotta extend my risk here, I'll try. If I extend my risk, the whole idea is I think we're gonna come back up here. Like if I want really big risk like down here, then it's like, you know, we're talking about swing trading here at this point. Yeah, that's too much pain. I don't think I take that much pain here. Yeah, too much pain. Too much risk. I mean, this could pop back up, but this is just too much risk for me. Like, I'm better off buying somewhere down here again, thinking we're gonna push down far. Or if I still like my long, I can try to go long again. If I like my long still, I can try. Or I can keep trying to short here. Limit order shorts. Limit order shorts seems like the best thing to do here. I don't know my trend line. I need to find my trend line here. Interesting. Okay, people selling limit orders before it can get to the previous candle's high. I could try that. See if we can get a limit order market here, just because we've been demolished by limit orders all day today. Let's start converting to limit orders here. I guess I'm looking for 10 points. I could look to get to the, like, you know, closer to the bottom here, but I'm happy with the scalp here at this point.
Target filled.
It's a tough market. Tough market. Limit order market only. And only scalping. Only scalping. At this point, we're making a triangle that looks like this. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart, pandas. I mean, this is the 5-minute. This is what we're dealing with right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. Completely overlapping. Not just slightly, completely. If I'm gonna buy with a limit order, I mean, it has to be like right here. It has to be like right here, something like that. Right here, baby, something like that. I don't know. It's like an inch long. You can just throw all second entry longs out the window currently. Man, got demolished. I'm gonna do this because we have a potential inside bar breakout on the 5-minute chart. I'm gonna attempt this, see what happens. Again, dumb trade, but we'll try, pandas. We're gonna try to get some bamboo here. This could trigger the inside bar breakout on the 5-minute chart, which is why I'm interested in this trade. At the end, the day might just be a wash, which is what I'm okay with. Today it's very difficult. I don't think today was particularly easy. Alright, we're in this trade. We gotta get some bamboo here for sure. I mean, we gotta really get it because it's the inside bar break, and I mean, technically my stop loss should be up here. People just buy with limit orders, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna get hit. Fails. The trap fails immediately. Reverses back up into our trading range. But this is where the trade fails, like absolutely. Where I have my stop loss is where it actually right here. It's like 100% dead, the trade. Which is okay. I'll take the hit. It is what it is. Choppy day today. Like insanely choppy. Look at the 5-minute chart. Insanely choppy, right? Inside bar, OII pattern, and I'm trying to trade the breakout of the OII pattern, thinking that we might get a decent move down, but instead, it just continues to chop. And, you know, it is what it is. But the trade is completely dead if it breaks this high or hits my stop loss. So, I mean, I just take the hit. There's just no other way to trade this. Looking for a 1-to-1. It's just no way to trade it. I'm not gonna go long either. It is what it is. I'm dead. Pandas, it is tough. Tough day. What can I say, pandas? What can I say? It's been a tough day. Is there a chance though, pandas? Nah, didn't think so. Tough day, pandas. What kind of day is that? Look at this day, pandas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. What am I supposed to do here, pandas? What am I supposed to do? You gotta trade the market. And my mistake was I'm trying to trade stop orders in the limit order market. I could just go short here. See what happens. Continue this like nasty trading range here. It's hard to time though. It's very difficult to time. All right, there's a pop-up. Coming back into the big blue box. Coming back up to the previous day's close. Or previous week's close. Like I might enter long here if we get like a higher low setup. Higher low setup looks juicy here now. I may just have to buy anywhere, everywhere. Don't get married to a premise though. Let's get a small pullback at least. I'm gonna buy the strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. If it ends on a strong bull bar, I'm gonna just buy the close. I'm gonna buy the close on the strong bull bar, the 5-minute chart. Give me a little room to breathe, little room to cook here.
Target filled.
Got some bamboo back. It's absolutely insane right now, pandas. The market is just insane. The trade I just took was a 5-minute just buy at the close of a strong bull bar. I'm looking to go long still, but maybe I shouldn't. Tough day, pandas. Tough day. Look at this day. Jeez. Just buy here, sell here. Inside bar breaks to the downside, but fails, reverses, traps. Whew. All right. Fair enough. Fair enough. I mean, I told myself I was confused. So when you're confused, why am I trying to trade? I do not know, pandas. I do not know. If you're confused, don't get abused. You know what I mean, pandas? Higher low, do I like it? Nah, not strong enough, but could be a decent move up. Not a strong enough setup for me. I want a little more consolidation before really trying to push strong up. But you can see limit orders are being bought here. We're still in the uptrend. Very strong uptrend here. Okay, the higher low does work out nicely. Coming back to the top of the blue box. I don't know. Someone said, I only need $15 to funding account. Let's go! Almost there. Almost funded. It's kind of surprising. You guys are like 50-50 on limit orders and stop orders. I'm pretty surprised about that. I'm pretty surprised about that, actually. It's pretty nice. Pretty interesting stat. If you ask me, you know. Complete silence is what I need right now. 100% focus. Don't have a trend line yet, really, to work with. Will the panda ever learn? Will the panda ever learn? Gotta focus here, pandas. We gotta focus here, pandas. Not 1K. It's all good. Count's still positive. Outside bar, don't mind me, right? Outside bar, tick shots me, don't mind that. It's all good. It's all part of the plan. Happens all the time. Of course it does. Tick shots me, comes right back up. You gotta love that. You gotta absolutely love this kind of market. The perfect tick shot comes right. Outside bar reversal, tick shots comes right back up. You gotta love it, pandas. You gotta love that kind of trade. You gotta love when that happens. Whew. I mean, pandas. I mean, I'm a glutton for punishment. Why am I still trading this market? No one knows. Nobody knows. Well, I'm still trading this market. That perfect tick shot. You gotta love it. I mean, should I just sell? Limit orders up here? What do I do? What are people doing? What is the market doing? Buying with limit orders. That's what we're doing, pandas. That's what we're gonna do here. Stop order market. Maybe pop up here. Decent pop up. We'll be buying at the bottom of every bar here. I'm just gonna put a limit order at the bottom of every bar. Because apparently that's what's happening right now. And apparently when I do that, that's when the market decides to just rip my face off. The moment I try, pandas. The moment I try to do what the market's doing, it rips my face off. Ugh. What in the world? Buying with limit orders all along the way down? People buying with limit orders right here instead of right there. Fair enough. Fair enough, pandas. Fair enough. Pandas. Whew. Okay. Limit order market, shall we try? Or are we just coming back down to the bottom of the trading range? That is the question, Pandas. That is the question. It's a limit order market. I gotta find my limit order somewhere, Pandas. I don't know where though. I gotta find my limit order somewhere. And I don't know where. I don't know. When will Panda learn is the question. When will Panda actually learn is the question right now. Are we looking for a lower high here? This just feels so wrong. I'm gonna put my entry where my stop loss would be. Goodness gracious. On that trade if I went long. But we are absolutely loving the previous day's the weekly close, the previous week's close. We absolutely love it right now. Going in and out of it. Putting my entry right at the stop loss of where I would have been in. Is that what I have to do from now on, Pandas? Put my entries in where I would have my stop loss instead? Goodness gracious, Pandas.
Target filled.
Literally put your entry where your stop loss is, where your stop loss would have been. Make money. My stop loss would have been right there if I entered long here. Second entry long. Looks juicy. Looks juicy, actually. Second entry long right there. If I stick to the same pattern, and my stop loss is right here. I mean, if I get filled here, something is fishy, right? They're literally stop loss hunting. Put your entry where your stop loss would be. Wowzers. Is it actually gonna happen? Putting my entry where my stop loss would have been if I went long right here. Actually kind of crazy. The higher low, I'll take it though. I'll take the higher low here. We're really loving the previous week's close. We're just like, we love it. Can't get enough of it. Okay, the higher low I'll try. Looks like a decent setup. Blows right through it. Can you actually fill me? Filled. I mean, we want the higher low because we're expecting a nice push up here. We gotta get some bamboo on this trade. We really do, pandas. Top of the trading range at least, minimum here, right? Minimum, we need this. At a minimum, we can't even get this. Forget about it. Just take the hit, right? If you can't make the profit, it's just not even. You gotta make the profit, the correct amount of profit here. If we can't, then it can't. It is what it is. I could always skunk it, but hey, last trade of the stream. Let's go for it. Let's really go for it, pandas. Shall we? New high, perhaps? Or just get destroyed. Oh, boy. Alright. Answer that question. We're out. Big pain day. How in the world? What kind of day is this, pandas? Big pain day, for sure. It's a crazy day, pandas. So much chop. I mean, I got chopped up. I'm not gonna lie. I got chopped up. This is choppy. I got chopped up. Right? You can't really catch anything here. It just stalls out every time it tries to make a move. Again, I need to put my buy at the stop loss area. Better off doing that. Makes an outside bar reversal on the 5-minute chart. There's not much you can do about that, right? The higher low on the 5-minute chart, which is another reason why I wanted to go in that trade. It's tough, very tough day to trade. Pretty much a wash from yesterday. I'm still thinking like just to buy somewhere. I'm still thinking just to like buy down here. Limit order buy. That's what I'm thinking. I can't trust anything. I'll try one more higher low setup. That'll be my last trade of the stream. One more higher low setup. We'll take it. We'll try. Okay. Pandas, last trade. It is what it is. I'll take the hit today. The day today. Pretty much break even on our accounts. It's all good. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright tomorrow. Hope you guys are doing well. And remember tomorrow, news at 8:30. Unemployment numbers, market calendars. It could be big because there's really no news this week. And since it's really the only news this week, it could actually move the market. So Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.